Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK Summer Camp. I am here today with the new GK quiz. I hope you all are ready with your pencil and paper. Before starting this session of interesting and fun quiz, I would like to introduce you with the theme of our quiz. Our quiz will revolve around the topic. So let's begin with the first topic. The first topic is sobriquets. Sobriquets are nicknames that are given to famous places, persons, or things. For example, Punjab is called Land of Five Rivers. Kerala, the nickname of Kerala is Spice Garden of India. Kolkata is also known as City of Palaces. Mumbai is the gateway of India. Nagpur, the Orange City. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City. The next one is very easy. Kashmir is the paradise on earth. Sarojini Naidu is the Nightingale of India. Nilgiri Hills is also known as Blue Mountain. And you know very well, father of our nation is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji. Now the next topic is largest in the world. Here I will discuss some largest things in the world, like the largest floating restaurant. Restaurant, it is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is the largest floating restaurant and the name is Restaurant. It is in Dubai, UAE. And the largest temple, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. It is the largest temple in the world. And do you know which is the largest airport in the world? King Fahd International Dammam. It is in Saudi Arabia. It is one of the largest airport in the world. And do you know which is the largest mosque? The largest mosque, the name is Masjid Al Haram. It is situated in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is the largest mosque in the world. And the largest hotel, the first world hotel, it is situated in Malaysia. It is the world largest hotel. And the largest library of Congress, it is in Washington DC, USA. It is the largest library in the world, Library of Congress, Washington DC. It is in United States of America. So the next topic is famous cities. Mysore is famous for sandalwood. This you know very well. We live in Kanpur. So you know what is famous in Kanpur and what we are known for. Kanpur is famous for leather products. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Makrana is famous for marble. Cuttack is famous for filigree work. Hyderabad is famous for pearls. Aligarh is famous for lock. Jaipur is famous for mojeries. The next topic is the national emblem. Do you know what national emblem is a symbol? National emblem is a symbol that teaches us to courageous, peace-loving, confident, honest and truthful. We must love and respect our country. Now I will brief you about national emblem. Our national emblem is a replica of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath near Varanasi in UP. It was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. There are 4 lions. One is hidden from view, standing back to back on a circular base in the emblem. They symbolize power, pride, courage, and confidence. On its circular base, there are 4 animals as guardians of the 4 directions: the lion north, elephant east, horse south, and the bull west. These are separated by wheels that signify the progress of the nation. Whenever the emblem is used by the government, it is necessary to have the word Satyamev Jayate right under the emblem, which means truth alone triumphs. Our national emblem tells us that we must have peace in the world and not wars. So, I hope you like this topic, the national emblem. It is our national emblem. So, you learned so many things from it. Now, the next topic, great inventors. In this topic, I will tell you who invented the radio, telephone, electric bulb, motor car, steam engine, aeroplane, telescope. Who invented the radio? Guglielmo Marconi. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented the electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Motor car invented by Henry Ford. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. And telescope was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So, here I have discussed some few topics with you. Now, I would like to tell you about the rules of the quiz. You will get 30 seconds to get the answer. After 30 seconds, the answer will be displayed. There are 10 questions with 4 choices. You can calculate your score. 90% and above, superb. 80% to 89%, great. 70 to 79%, wonderful. 60 to 69%, well done. 50% and below, need to work hard. So, the rules are clear to you. Now let's begin the GK quiz. So here we begin. Now students, let's begin with the first question. Punjab is also known as dash. I repeat, Punjab is also known as dash. A. Land of 5 rivers. B. Spice Garden of India. C. The Orange City. D. The Paradise on Earth. I repeat the options. A. Land of 5 rivers. B. Spice Garden of India. C. The Orange City. D. The Paradise on Earth. Time up, children. So the correct answer is A. Land of 5 rivers. Do you know why we call land of 5 rivers? Punjab is called land of 5 rivers because it contains these rivers Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. All are tributaries of the Indus River. Now, the second question. Hyderabad is famous for dash. I repeat, Hyderabad is famous for dash. A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Diamond. D. Pearl. I repeat the options. A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Diamond. D. Pearls. I know you all know this answer. So, 3, 2, 1. Time up, children. So the correct answer is Hyderabad is famous for pearls. Hyderabad is considered the main pearl trading center in India, because of which the city is also known as the City of Pearls. So, now the third question is on your screen. Which of the following is the largest airport in the world? I repeat the question. Which of the following is the largest airport in the world? A. Cairo International Airport. B. George Bush International Airport. C. Dulles International Airport. D. King Fahad International Airport. Yes, 3, 2, 1, time up, students. The correct answer is King Fahad International Airport. King Fahad International Airport is the largest airport in the world. It is located in Dammam, the capital city of Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia, occupying about 776 kilometers of area. It is the largest airport in the world. So now question number 4. Name the flower on which the lion capital has been kept. I repeat the question. Name the flower on which the lion capital has been kept. A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Lily. I repeat the options. A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Lily. I hope you all aware of this answer. Time up. So the correct answer is lotus. Lotus is the correct answer. The original lion capital, the inverted bell-shaped lotus flower, this has been adopted as the national emblem of India, seen from another angle, showing the horse on the left and the bull on the right of the Ashok Chakra in the circular base on which the 4 Indian lions are standing back to back. I hope you all are enjoying the GK quiz. Now question number 5. Question is on the screen. City of Palaces is also known as dash. City of Palaces is also known as dash. The options are A. Himalayas, B. Kashmir, C. Kolkata, D. Kerala. I repeat the options. A. Himalayas, B. Kashmir, C. Kolkata, D. Kerala. Think fast, don't get confused. Time up, students. So the correct answer is Kolkata. Kolkata is the correct answer. Kolkata is known as the city of palaces because of the number of buildings built by the British Raj during the 19th century. These buildings have been maintained till date and act as architectural proofs of our country's rich history and struggle for freedom. Now question number 6. Which of the following is the largest temple in the world? A. Pashupatinath Temple. B. Angkor Wat Temple. C. Akshardham Temple. D. Dakshineshwar Kali Temple. I repeat the options. A. Pashupatinath Temple. B. Angkor Wat Temple. C. Akshardham Temple. D. Dakshineshwar Kali Temple. Yes. Time up. So the correct answer is Angkor Wat Temple. Angkor Wat Temple is the largest temple in the world. Angkor Wat is a temple complex at Angkor, Cambodia. It is the largest religious monument in the world on a site measuring 162.6 hectares, which was built for King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century as a state temple and capital city. Now question number 7 is on your screen. Aligarh is famous for dash. Aligarh is famous for dash. A. Oranges, B. Lock, C. Sandalwood, D. Marble. I know you all aware of this answer. It is very easy to you. I repeat the question. Aligarh is famous for dash. A. Oranges. B. Lock. C. Sandalwood. D. Marble. Think it fast. Time up, student. So the correct answer is law. Aligarh is famous for law. Aligarh is an important business center of Uttar Pradesh and is most famous for its lock industry. Aligarh locks are exported across the world. In 1870, Johnson and Company was the first English lock firm in Aligarh. In 1890, the company initiated production of locks on a small scale here. Now, question number 8. Who invented the steam engine? Who invented the steam engine? The options are A. James Watt, B. Wright brothers, C. Henry Ford, D. Thomas Alva Edison. I repeat the options. A. James Watt, B. Wright brothers, C. Henry Ford, D. Thomas Alva Edison. Yes, think about it. Who invented the steam engine? Time up, students. The correct answer is James Watt. James Watt invented the steam engine. James Watt was a Scottish inventor and mechanical engineer renowned for his improvement in steam engine technology. I hope you all are enjoying this and you all are doing well. Now the next question on your screen. Question number 9. How many lions are standing back to back in our national emblem? How many lions are standing back to back in our national emblem? A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. I repeat the options. A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. Yes, this is very easy. I hope you all know this answer. Time up, students. The answer is B 4. 4 is the correct answer. The 4 lions sitting on the backers represent power, courage, confidence and pride. The 4 of smaller carvings of animals, namely lion, bull, galloping, horse and elephant on the circular abacus are the guardians of the 4 directions. Now question number 10. Henry Ford was the inventor of dash. Henry Ford was the inventor of dash. The options are A. Television, B. Motor car, C. Radio, D. Telephone. Henry Ford was the inventor of television, motor car, radio and the last option is telephone. Which is the correct answer of these? The correct time up. The correct answer is motor car. Motor car was invented by the Henry Ford. Henry Ford was an American automobile manufacturer who created the Model T in 1908 and went on to develop the assembly line mode of production, which revolutionized the automotive industry. As a result, Ford sold millions of cars and became a world-famous business leader. Here we have finished the 10 questions here. Now students, calculate your all marks and judge yourself. I hope you all enjoyed this GK quiz. And congratulations to all the winners who have actively participated the GK quiz. Enjoy the summer vacations. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.